Stoichiometry is the quantitative relationship of reactants and products in a chemical reaction. Stoichiometry is the quantitative relationship of reactants and products in a chemical reaction. I am not going to explain it more than this because this is the fourth video of this series. Now let's solve problems. First one. According to the following chemical equation, how many moles of N2 are required to react with 8.5 moles of H2? According to the following chemical equation, how many moles of N2 are required to react with 8.5 moles of H2? This is the equation. N2 plus H2 we get ammonia. But this is not balanced. First of all, we should balance this chemical equation in this way. 3H2 plus 1N2 we get 2 ammonia. Now you can see on the left hand side 3 times 2, 6 hydrogens. On the right hand side 2 times 3, 6 hydrogens. On the left hand side 2 nitrogens. On the right hand side 2 nitrogens. Now we can find the ratio. 3 moles of H2 react with 1 mole of N2. 3 moles of H2 react with 1 mole of N2. 3 moles of H2 react with 1 mole of N2. Now we have 8.5 moles of H2. To react with 8.5 moles of H2, how many moles of N2 are required? We have to find it. We can find it in this way. 1 mole N2 divided by 3 moles H2 multiplied by 8.5 moles H2. 1 mole N2 divided by 3 moles H2 multiplied by 8.5 moles H2. We should cancel out units. Mole H2 mole H2. Our answer is 2.83 moles N2. To react with 8.5 moles of H2, .83 moles of N2 are required. If we want, we can write the same thing in the following way. Here I have written 8.5 moles of H2 on the left hand side times 1 mole N2 divided by 3 moles H2. We get the same answer, 2.83 moles N2. Now let's go to the next one. According to the following chemical equation, how many grams of H2 are required to produce 1.6 moles of ammonia? This is the chemical equation. H2 plus N2 we get ammonia. But this is not balanced. We have to balance it in this way. 3H2 plus 1N2 we get 2 ammonia. This is the ratio. To produce 2 mole ammonia, we should use 3 moles H2. To produce 2 moles ammonia, we should use 3 moles H2. Now we need to produce 1.6 moles of ammonia. how many grams of H2 are required? First, we can find moles of H2. Then we can convert it to grams of H2. First, let's find moles of H2. We know to produce 2 mole ammonia, we should use 3 moles H2. To produce 1.6 mole ammonia, we can find it in this way: 3 moles H2 divided by 2 mole ammonia multiplied by 1.6 moles ammonia. 3 mole H2, 3 moles H2 divided by 2 moles ammonia multiplied by 1.6 moles ammonia. Here we should cancel out mole ammonia. Mole ammonia, then we get 2.4 moles H2. But we have been asked how many grams of H2 are required. Now we have found moles of H2. Now we have to convert it to grams of H2. We know now we have 2.4 moles H2. We know mass equals number of moles times molar mass. Mass equals number of moles times molar mass. Mass equals number of moles, 2.4 moles of H2. 2.4. We know molar mass of hydrogen is 2 gram per mole. Here we can cancel out mole. Then we get our answer: mass in grams, 4.8 grams of H2. To produce 1.6 moles of ammonia, 4.8 grams of H2 are required. If you can understand this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.